Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2016 to 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We put a 6-inch ProComp Lift Kit on it, some 20x10 XF Offroad 204s, and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. Now if you want more information on this tire and wheel combo, go to our wheel matchup on this specific tire and wheel. However, we have a couple tips and tricks for this 6-inch ProComp Lift Kit. Alright, so this first step has to deal with your steering stop on your lower ball joint. ProComp supplies a steering stop extension plate, which is right here, and in their manual they call for you to weld it on. However, we understand that if you're installing this at home, you might not have a welder. So we recommend doing one of two things. The first one is get a welder and weld it on. The second thing is go to Rough Country. Rough Country sells a bolt-on steering stop extension bracket. Call them up, have them ship you one so you can just bolt it on rather than welding it. If not, get a welder or go to a shop to have it welded for you. It's a very easy install. It's simply just 2 beads, but a lot of people at home don't have welders. So that's just something to know before you buy this lift kit and install it yourself at home. The second tip is your strut. They supply 2 different strut spacers. The first one is just an exterior mounted strut spacer that goes onto the top of your strut hat. And then the second one is an interior strut spacer where you'll have to take your strut apart. Not very many people have a spring compressor, a strut compressor, so more than likely you'll need to find a shop to compress your spring, put the interior spacer in it, and then put it back together. Or you can go ahead and get online and order some spring compressors so that you have them when you install it yourself. Our third tip has to deal with the U-bolts in the rear. For some reason, ProComp's blocks in the rear are a little bit wider than the mounts for the bottom of the plate on the rear axle. So you will want to get some very large channel locks so that when you put your U-bolts on, they're about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch off on the holes. So you'll need those channel locks to kind of manipulate them to go into those holes. Our fourth tip is the cross member. You'll have to cut your cross member, so make sure you have a reciprocating saw or an angle grinder. ProComp is very, very specific about where to cut for your rear cross member, so that will not be a problem. Besides that, everything else is laid out in ProComp's instructions. It's relatively easy. It's not a difficult lift. There's just a couple of things that a lot of people just won't have at home, so go ahead and make sure you have it lined up and outsourced to other shops before you lift your vehicle. Also, we put a 30-inch integrated Rough Country LED light bar right here in the grill. It fits real nice into the front bumper of the truck, and it looks factory. Nobody would have any idea that it wasn't factory except for the fact that the little cover says Rough Country on it. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the lift, the tires, the wheels, the light bar, whether it's rails, whatever you want, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're watching this video and you're saying, Michael, I just wish I could buy this truck, already done, already built, just deliver it to my house and let's call it good. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page. We're gonna start posting dealers' inventory that we've built their vehicles for. So the hope would be that you can get on our inventory page, you can see the vehicles that we built for dealers, and then you can reach out to them and buy them from those dealers pre-built. You don't have to mess with finding the car, you don't have to mess with us installing the lift kit and the tires and wheels. It's just already done for you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment. And again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.